Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about dynamic type language versus static type language. If you Google about PHP and if you usually find that PHP is a dynamic type language. What does that exactly mean? But as per the definition, dynamically typed language are popular because of their flexibility and simplicity. However, dynamic type language can be result in less optimized code than static type checking. It also includes the possibility of runtime type errors, PHP, JS, Python, libs. In contrast, statically typed language check variables type at compile time before the code is executed. Example of statically typed language include Java, C++, and C#. So, what exactly they are? Dynamically typed language are those language in which we don't need to specify that what kind of data is going to store in the variable. Parser at runtime automatically detects like what kind of data is coming in this data type. In contrast of static type language, we need to specify that this data type is of integer type, so only the type of integer data can be stored in this data type or in this variable. Okay, but in dynamic type we just assign a value to the variable and it's automatically detect its type. We don't need to specify. Let us check in our last code. For example, we have taken this car name Crete. Sorry, we missed a spelling here. Creta. Okay. So, how PHP knows that this variable car name is of string type? We haven't mentioned anywhere. In this, car average is 18. How PHP knows the car average variable having only integer data type, or it's a type of integer type? The value in this variable is only a type of integer. How this variable knows can contain only float type value? So this is the beauty of dynamic type language. At the time of running, PHP parser automatically detects the type of data. We don't need to specify exact type of data type. While in a static type language, we need to specify. For example, I'm just giving you a demonstration, like maybe the syntax may be different in other technology like C, Java, or C#. For example, like in C, if you want to define something like int a, then we can use 10. There could be syntax like this. We need to specify the data type, then the variable name, then the value we can assign into this variable. But here in PHP, what we are doing? We are doing directly. Here you can see we have just created a variable and we just assigned the integer type value or the string type value or the hexa number, octal, binary, or floating point value. Like all kind of value can be supported dynamically. There is no need to specify explicitly what the exactly they are. So that's it for this lecture. If you found this lecture helpful, please like, share, or subscribe.